You don't know what to give to a beloved person? Don't make them sad by giving them a gift card. Instead, give them a personalized Lithophanelamp, and I show you how to easily make one. First, the things we need: an Arduino Pro Micro, a button, LED stripes, and of course cables. Unfortunately, the print of the wall mount failed at the end. However, since the print took 18 hours and only a small part was missing, and the rest looked fine, I simply reprinted the missing upper part. After a bit of sanding, I was able to glue the two parts back together. Next, with the help of the website It's Litho, a lithophane needs to be created from your image. To do this, upload the desired image to It's Litho and change the following settings. Click on crop first. Then change the dimensions. Set height to 205 mm and width to 145. In the advanced settings, click only on top to create the frame only at the top. Next, under frame options, set the angle to 0 degrees. Finally, download the lithophane. While the lithophane is being printed, we can start with the LEDs. But first, I must say I would do many things differently now. So I show you a bit of a different design at the end. But the principle is the same, so stay tuned. First, I applied solder to the soldering pads on the LED strips, for each of the 4 strips. Then I soldered short cables to these soldering pads, for all 4 strips. With data in the middle, power at the bottom and ground at the top. Make sure to pay attention to the direction of the arrows on the LED strips. Next, I halved the PCB board in the middle to make soldering easier later. Afterward, I started soldering the LED strips to the PCB. I attached 2 strips per half. After doing this, I could connect the 2 strips as shown in the video, and I did this again for the other half. Now that both halves are ready, I can connect them. Make sure not to connect the wrong cables. While I continue in the background, I wanted to ask you for a favor. If you enjoyed this video so far, it would be great if you could leave a subscription or a like. Now I check if everything still fits. That looks good. And now we can solder the cables to the Arduino. Solder 1 cable to the ground, 1 to the VCC pin, and 1 to pin 6. Additionally, solder 2 cables to the button and connect it to the Arduino, 1 to the ground and the other one to pin 3. Then upload the code. And we can already test the electronics and hope that everything works. And that looks great. Finally, we need to glue everything together. I locked the Arduino and the button in place with hot glue. And now we are done. And here's the other model I mentioned at the beginning of the video. Here I used different LEDs and connected the various LED strips directly to the solder pads. I would use these LED strips as they have fewer LEDs and don't overwhelm the Arduino Nano. Now enjoy the finished product. If you watched this far, thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and goodbye until the next time.